So in your bathroom, do you need a hook to hang perhaps a jacket or a towel up on? Well, in that case, a door might be a perfect place to put a hook. So in this video, I'm going to show 3 different ways of how to put a hook on a door. So stay tuned. So by far the simplest and most easy way to put a hook on a door are just one of these little hooks right here that just hang over on top of a door. So all you gotta do is place it right over the top. The door still shuts good, and you can hang a jacket up or whatever you need on there. And these should hold quite a bit of weight on them. But of course, aesthetically, they probably aren't the best looking ones. The next option you have is using some stick-on hooks, like these Command hooks, which is probably the most well-known brand as far as like these stick-on removable hooks. So let me show you how you put these on. So first, just going to get a rough idea about where I want to put it. Just use this as a guide. I'd say it's about right there would be good. So now you gotta prep the area, and for that you just take some alcohol. And you just clean the spot real good. Make sure there's no dirt or grease or anything on the door. It'll give the adhesive a good surface to adhere to. Okay, so now you take the strip, and you want to remove the side that has the red lettering on it. Now you place it like so on the back of it. Okay, now you remove the other side of that strip. Now you want to get it lined up. And press and hold for about 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you'll temporarily remove the hook. And press and hold the strip on there another 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, you just slide the hook back on. And after that, you gotta wait about an hour for the adhesive to build up on it before you start using it. So we'll be back in an hour and see how it holds up. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour now. And we'll see that I can hold up a jacket pretty good. Even throw a hat on it. It seems pretty stable. So plus side with these right here, they don't damage the door. They come in many different styles if you want. Admittedly, they don't really hold as much weight as like the previous hook I showed you, or one that's screwed into the door. But you're probably seeing, at least most of this brand seems to range from like the 1 to 7 pound range. And then later, if you ever have to remove it, you can just slide the hook up, grab the tab right here, and gently hold the tab. And there you go. So those first 2 ways are just way to add hooks to a door without damaging it. But perhaps you want something more permanent and more secure, so that'll be the next hook I'll show you. Okay, now we have the hooks that screw into the door. And these come in about as many different styles as you can think of, ranging from a more basic kind right here, like this hook that has the exposed screws. These are real simple and cheap to get. And then there's one I'm going to be going with, these ones right here, which have screw mounts covered up. So I'll show you how to install that. So to attach these, I'm going to be using these anchors, which are made specifically for hollow core doors and drywall. And even though you don't have to pre-drill a hole for these right here, but I'm going to do that just to make sure I don't cause any other damage to the door. And when choosing a drill bit, I tend to try to find one that's slightly smaller than the main body of the screw. So now we can drill a hole and attach this to it. Okay, but before we actually start drilling, we need to figure out where we need to drill the holes at in the first place. So we just gotta remove the mounting plate off the back of this. Okay, you also want to keep in mind that with this, we want the horizontal slot to be on the top and the vertical slot on the bottom of the mount. Get up here, get it lined up. Take our pin. Things look pretty even. And to reduce the chance of drilling all the way through the door, I'm putting a little bit of tape on the drill bit to mark the depth I want it to go. Okay, so now we're just going to use a manual screwdriver to screw these in. Okay, and there we have it. That's all there is to it. Well, I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining one. If you're interested in any of the products I use, I'll leave a link to those in the description. Also, if you have any comments or maybe have some suggestions, maybe you've seen something that I did wrong, which odds are I probably overlooked something. So be sure to leave that in a comment to help anyone else who might be watching this video. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving a like and subscribe to stay up to date for more content. But before you leave, you might be interested in checking out this video right here. But either way, until next time, later.